Dr. Narendra Jadhav.
Thank you. Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. I rise to strongly support the Code on Wages 2019. Sir, at the very outset, let me recall a little bit of history. The labor welfare measures and the framework for tripartite settlement was created in India for the first time by none other than the principal architect of the Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, when he worked as a labor member or minister in the British Viceroy's Executive Council during the period 1942 to 1946. After that, there have been a series of reforms, but they were piecemeal labor welfare reforms, and it is probably for the first time that this kind of comprehensive reforms of labor welfare are being undertaken. And that is why I would like to heartily congratulate the Honorable Minister for bringing this bill, sir. This comprehensive bill aims at consolidation as well as constructive reforms of legislations relating to wages. The Code on Wages seeks to replace the 4 major legislations and bring one common legislation for regulation of payment of wages and bonus. This amalgamation, sir, will make it more convenient for the stakeholders and make it more accessible to the public, furthering the object of welfare and benefit to the workers. Sir, this code has several reforms which are highly commendable. This code reflects financial inclusion of the marginalized sections of the society by shifting from cash payment to digital transactions into bank accounts of employees. This is a code which allows, there is an express provision prohibiting gender discrimination in recruitment as well as payment of wages. Yet another welcome reform is that under the proposed code, the minimum wages provision applies to all establishments of organized as well as unorganized sector. One more commendable provision is that the consideration to determine minimum wage would now include in the proposed code the level of skill of worker, geographical locations of the workplace, and hazardous occupations. The 6th great welcome reform is that the proposed code provides for composition of a committee to recommend on minimum wages and expressly states that it must consist of equal number of representing employers and representing employees along with a few independent persons. Additionally, the central government is not supposed to fix the floor wages, are now supposed to fix floor wages taking into account the cost of living, and under no circumstances the minimum wage, sir, determined is to be less than the floor wage fixed. The mode of payment of bonus, here again this is a very welcome provision. The bonus payable, I'll need 30 seconds, sir. Please. The bonus payable to an employee under the proposed code will be paid by crediting it in the bank account of the employee instead of payment in cash. Advisory board, inclusion of advisory women in the advisory board is very, very important provision. Also, sir, inclusion of the state representatives in the advisory board is also welcome. Sir, one final point.
Please, we have to
30 seconds.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Sri Vijay Sai Reddy, absent. Minister, he wants to say something. Minister, you want to say? Please come to your side.
Sir, there is a general consensus about the disposing of the bill. So I would suggest that we conclude the discussion by at least by 6 o'clock and dispose of the bill. So I will request the chair that the other members, rest of the speakers, their time may be slightly reduced and their views may be put forward, but with reduced timing so that we are able to conclude the discussion.
माननीय सदस्यगण सहमत होंगे?
We will surrender our time.
सहमत होंगे?
We will surrender our time.
प्लीज
We will surrender our time.
ट्रिपल तलाक आएगा तो भी
Please बैठ जाएं।
लेबर